Trust Wallet Crypto Wallet Review. Watch before using. Trust Wallet is one of the most popular decentralized crypto wallets, designed for users looking to securely manage and store their crypto assets without relying on centralized exchanges. It's a non-custodial wallet, meaning you fully own your private keys and have complete control over your funds. Trust Wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, over 4.5 million tokens across more than 70 blockchains, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and even NFTs. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crypto trader, this wallet aims to provide a user-friendly experience while maintaining strong security and privacy features. Now, let's talk about what makes Trust Wallet stand out. First, it's completely free to download and use. The app is available on both iOS and Android, and there's no need to go through a lengthy registration process. Unlike centralized exchanges that require KYC verification, Trust Wallet allows you to remain completely anonymous. You simply create a wallet, back up your recovery phrase, and you're ready to start managing your crypto. One of the most attractive features of Trust Wallet is its built-in dApp browser. This allows you to access decentralized applications directly from the wallet, such as DeFi platforms, NFT marketplaces, and staking services. For example, you can stake coins like BNB, TRX, or Tezos right from the wallet and earn passive rewards. It also has a built-in Web3 browser for interacting with blockchain-based apps, making it more than just a wallet. It's a full ecosystem for managing your crypto life. Security is a critical aspect, and Trust Wallet gives users full control of their private keys. When you set up your wallet, you'll receive a 12-word recovery phrase. This is your master key. If you lose this phrase, you lose access to your wallet, so safeguarding it is crucial. However, Trust Wallet doesn't offer advanced security features like biometric authentication or two-factor authentication, which may be a concern for some users. Another key feature is the ability to buy crypto directly through the wallet using your credit or debit card. While the fees can be higher than using an exchange, it's convenient for users who want a quick way to acquire crypto. The wallet also supports in-app swaps between different tokens, powered by various decentralized exchanges, making it easy to trade crypto without leaving the app. In summary, Trust Wallet is an excellent option for anyone looking for a secure, user-friendly, and versatile crypto wallet. Its wide support for tokens, easy staking options, and built-in dApp browser make it a powerful tool for crypto users. However, you need to be responsible for your private keys, and the lack of advanced security options is something to keep in mind. If you're looking for a non-custodial wallet with robust functionality, Trust Wallet is worth considering.